Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Feedly Zapier integration finding articles. So if Zapier isn't finding your articles or the articles from Feedly, it's usually due to trigger setup, filters or account connection issues. So actually guys, at first you will need to check the trigger type, okay, and that's very important. So Zapier has different Feedly triggers like new article from feed, a new article from category, and new article matching AI filter delay. Okay, so now just go to the trigger and type right there Feedly, and then just click on Feedly. Okay, so right here, as I told you, on the trigger event you will find too many options, okay, like new AI feed article, new article in board, new article in feed, a new article in folder, etc. Okay, so you will need to pick the correct one, and if you pick the wrong one, that will give you no results. Okay, so all I want you to do is to recreate the Zap, choose a Feedly as trigger, and choose the correct trigger based on where your article are. Okay, so let's say my articles are right there on the new notes. Okay, so just select it and then go with sign in and sign in with your account, and yeah, continue to Feedly and then sign in with your Gmail. And after signing in, then you will need just to set the action right here. So let's say that you want to link your Feedly with your Instagram, for example. Okay, so just go with Instagram for business, choose the action event and the account, and there you go. Okay, actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.